Hey, Gianni. Assume position, sir. Okay. What do we got over here? Okay. Oh, let me see the little baby boy. Oh, you got any restriction in the spine, huh? You got any restriction in that spine?
No.
What do we got? What do we got? Oh, yes, yes. Here we go.